Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have four different cases for performing addition of binary numbers. So let's see case 1. We have 0 plus 0. So this is similar to a normal arithmetic operation that you perform on normal decimal numbers. So 0 plus 0 will give you a sum of 0 and the carry would be 0. So case 2 is 0 plus 1, which would give us sum of 1 and carry would be 0. Case 3 is 1 plus 0, which would again give you the sum of 1 and carry would be 0. Now the fourth case is a special case. Here you can see 1 plus 1 is not giving you 2 because there is no number 2 in binary numbers, but here the sum is 0 and you get a carry, so you have to carry that 1 forward for the next digit, and you'll understand when we perform the actual operation. So let's see three different types of sums. So I have three different questions over here. We'll start with the first one. So in the first question we have 1 0 1 1 plus 0 1 0 1. So let's go ahead and add these values. So we have 1 and 1, so this would be the case 4. So 1 plus 1 would give us 0, and as I said, we have a carry, so we'll carry forward. Now adding these two values, again we have one carry which will be forwarded to the next digit, so we'll carry forward it, and this would give us 0. Now adding this 0 and this 0 will give us 0, that is the case 1. So let's see for the next digit. Again we have 1 which was carried forward from this operation, so 1 plus 1 would again give us 0 and 1 would get carried, and this is for the last digit. 1 plus 1 would give us 0 and one more value would be getting carried, so this would be 1 over here. So yeah, this is the final answer. Now you must be wondering whether the answer is right or wrong, so you can cross check it by converting these binary values to decimal values. So 1011 converts to 11 in decimal, and 0101 converts to 5 in decimal. If you don't know how to convert these values, we also have tutorials of conversions from binary to decimal and vice versa in this playlist itself, so you can check that out as well. So if you add 11 plus 5, you will get 16 in decimal. Now if you convert this number that we just found out, it would be equal to 16 in decimal. So you can cross check your answers by this simple trick. So let's see question number 2. We have 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 in binary plus 1 1 0 1 1 again in binary. So let me just rub out these brackets. We don't need the brackets. Okay, so let's start with the rightmost value or the units place value. So 1 plus 1 would give us 0 and we have a carry forward. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 would again give us 0 with 1 carry. Now adding these two values, 1 plus 1 again 0 with one more carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 again would give us 0 with one more carry. Now here there is a special case, so adding these two values we will get 0 and 1 would be getting carried. Now this 0 plus 1 would give us 1, so it won't result into 0. So now again 1 plus 1 would give us 0 and 1 would get carried. 1 plus 1 would give us 0 and last one that was carried. So yeah, this is the final answer, and this is the addition of these two binary values. Now you can convert them to decimal values in order to cross check it, but right now I'm not going to do that, but I'm sure this decimal value would be equal. So let's see the last example, which is a fractional binary number. So the question 3 is as follows. We have 101.11 plus 110.01. Now the decimal equivalent of these values are as follows. 101.11 is equal to 5.75 in decimal, so you can go ahead and convert these values if you want to cross check it, and 110.01 is equal to 6.25 in decimal. So if you add up these values, you should be getting a total of 12.0. So let's see if these binary values add up to this value. So we have 1 plus 1, again 0, 1 gets carried. So 1 plus 1, 0, 1 gets carried. Again 1 plus 1, 0, 1 gets carried. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 gets carried. Now 1 plus 1 would give us 0 and 1 is going to get carried, but 0 plus 1 is going to give us 1, and lastly this carry. So we have decimal point over here after two digits starting from the right. So now if you convert this binary value to decimal value, I'm sure you're going to get the value of 12.0 in decimal. So this is how you can cross check fractional binary